Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Harshil. This is Harshil Chudasma, and today in this video we will see that what is the div and span tag and how it is useful. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will see the div tag. Okay, so the full form of div tag is the division. Okay, so let's say we have made a website, and in that website we have some content, we have navigation bar, we have the footer. Okay, so if I write here div tag like this, and now I can give the class name to this like content. I'm writing here content like this. So now it is a one division, and inside that we can write our content of the our website. Okay, so this is the how the div tag is useful. And if I write here like coding with Herschel. So now let's save this and refresh here, then you can see coding with Herschel text is there. Okay, so this is the our div tag. And the one thing is that whatever text we have written inside this div tag, it will always come in the new line. So if I write here again div tag and I'm writing here hi, save it and refresh, then you can see hi is coming in the new line. Okay, so this is the our all about the div tag, and I hope you have clear idea about this one. So now let's move forward to the next, which is the span tag. Okay, so span tag is totally different from the div tag and the p tag also. If I write here p tag and I'm writing here our dummy text. Okay, so now let I save this and refresh here, then you can see we got the our text. Okay, and here you can see the p tag is always comes in the new line. Okay, so now if I write here span tag like this one, and I'm writing here hi, this is Harshil. Okay, now save it and refresh, then you can see it is coming in the new line. Why? Because we have already written the p tag above this span tag, that's why it is coming in the new line. But if I write here span tag again and I'm saying hello, save it and refresh, then you can see this hello is coming in the same line. Okay, so the one thing to be noticed in the span tag, that it is not coming in the new line. The whatever text we have written inside the span tag, it will come in the same line. Okay, so that is the our span tag. And it is useful when we want the text in the same line. Okay, and the one thing I want to tell you about this div tag is that using this div tag we can create objects. What type of objects we can create? Like a square, circle, triangle. Okay, all this type of objects we can create using this div tag. Okay, but to create that type of objects we require CSS. Okay, we have already started the CSS3 tutorial, so watch it. And because whenever we will move forward in the CSS, it will be very useful while creating these objects. And the combination of the HTML CSS will create our website. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope you have clear idea about this div tag and span tag. But still guys, if you have any query, any doubt regarding this div tag and span tag, then you can ask me in the comment. And guys, you can also follow us on the social media like Facebook and Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next time.